AI-generated art personifies countries as different women across the globe. So AI art, I presume, was asked. Oh, go ahead, Will.
By an artist.
You know what, Will? You go ahead, sir.
Okay, so there's an artist who generated some pictures of women who are like described in like a country. So
Described as a country or having been from a particular country?
From a country.
Got you.
And it's your job to kind of guess which country.
Oh,
and I would say it's pretty easy for the most part, but there are some that
a little bit
when the artist tweaked, it gets a lot harder.
When the artist okay.
Yeah.
So an artist
in her description.
So an artist went back in after the AI generated and made tweaks to it.
Yeah.
Got you. Okay, let's play the game. Let's go.
Okay.
Stop it.
Okay, this one, yeah.
How dare you? This is the US of A, sir.
Yeah.
And
United States.
Yeah, no problem. We got the flag though. I feel like I'm cheating here.
Yeah.
Well, see, I'm looking at the artifacts. I know I'm in England here.
Sure.
Because I see Big Ben in the back.
England.
But that's still fine. Will, I'm just looking at the Eiffel Tower.
Okay.
France. Okay, this is tougher. That's Germany.
Okay, that's right.
But it's like beer fest. This is gonna be Greece.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, that was a bit tougher because I was in the Mediterranean, but I was blue water, special outfit, white buildings, Japan.
What about this one?
Mexico.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is going to be tougher for me.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. I mean, we have the jungle there, but like there's probably some identifying characteristic that I'm unaware of here.
Mm-hmm.
I'll say Nigeria.
You are right.
Oh, my God. That was a tough one.
Yeah. So she modified it by adding other characteristics, and it gets way harder. But it still looks great.
What do you mean she added other characteristics? Is there any better description of that?
There's some like later on. Like she added like I don't know, other descriptors. I'm not too sure.
Okay, but sure. So hang on a second. These are new countries that haven't been featured prior?
Yeah, but more like what she says is more complex, I'm guessing.
Well,
so what is this one?
How dare you?
Coastal.
I know.
You know.
But like now I'm in the Caribbean or I'm in a coast, but I have the mountains in the back.
Uh-huh.
Which is a huge problem because those are definitely not everywhere.
Uh-huh.
And they're quite high. Of course, I focus on the geographic aspects.
Okay, the community got it. A few of them.
Should I look? Or is that fair? Or you want me to guess?
Take a guess. Take a gander.
Hawaii? Brazil. Oh God. Yeah. Oh, Brazil. I see. I'm not looking at the person enough.
Okay.
I'm looking at the landscape. Okay. So that's that famous beach in Brazil. Yeah. What?
What's this one?
Is this a trick? Is this China?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, Will! Why you gotta do that to me, dude?
Yeah.
The way you're presenting these things to me is scaring me.
Northern China somewhere. I don't know. What about here?
That is a big mountain back there. Am I going back to South America?
Maybe. I don't know this answer.
I mean, am I going back to South America? Because the greenery there on the left. Am I going to like Argentina or something?
Is that your guess?
Let me see it. El Salvador. I was. Hey,
in the region.
Hey, man. Hey.
Yeah, there's some really difficult.
Am I going to Eastern?
But it's.
I'm
really
going to
long
Eastern
list.
Europe, I think.
Okay.
I'm going to Ukraine, Poland, Czech, somewhere over there.
I believe this is Ukraine.
Yeah, you see what I'm doing here?
Okay.
All right. So don't. I'm really mad about my Brazil one because I really just focused on the geography and not the actual person. The actual
You're like tall mountains.
Yes, I didn't. I'm really upset with myself on that one.
Yeah.
I can't get it out of my head. Why the balloon thing got to come through? We got the headpiece going on. Look at the village over there. We're like, are we like Turkey or something?
Maybe.
Are we over there? Oh, yes, I'm happy about that one.
Okay, yeah.
I am happy about that one.
Yeah, that was a tough one.
I am happy about that one.
Do they fly a lot of balloons?
I did not look at the chat. I am happy about that one.
Okay. You want to do a couple more? Because there's quite a few.
I am happy about that one. Yes, let's keep going.
All right.
Yes, let's keep going. Okay. As far as generating, she tells me modern Met. I gave the AIs as little details as possible so I could test how accurately it would pick up certain features and cultures. Okay. Damn. Dude.
It gets harder.
It definitely gets harder. Like, what are these? The like rock formations in the back.
It's like a romance novel.
And the type of flower. Oh. I think I'm in Europe instead of South America.
A lot of people say Spain.
Yes.
The community.
Yeah. So Spain. I was going to say Italy or Spain. Spain. Okay.
Spain. Okay.
Well, I got the Europe aspect, but Will, why you gotta let the people? Why you let the people? I thought this was my game. Okay, this is my game. Egypt,
Egyptian, yeah.
Saudi Arabia. Oh, I mean, there's probably some telltale that I screwed up on that. India. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
High stress over here. Oh, Jamaica.
Okay.
Afghanistan. Pakistan. Sorry. I mean, it's a hard game, dude. Yeah, this must be Italy. Portugal. Spain, Italy, Portugal. Spain, Italy, Portugal. Yeah. You know?
Ethiopia.
Oh, let's go.
Good stuff.
Let's go. They were saying Somalia. I just see that they said no, man. What the hell are those buildings? Churches, maybe? Oh, Russia. Argentina. Jeez, I thought it was like
I was thinking Russia too.
St. Peter's type of, but I guess it's too bright and sunny.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah.
I'm upset about that one. Oh.
Which one is this?
Well, I know roughly where we are.
Nordic.
Yeah, we're either Sweden or Iceland or
we'll go with Iceland.
We're over there. Because of the Norway. Yeah, I think that. Listen, we're real close on that, right? We got the Northern Lights going on.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Angelic.
This is an actual angel, not a human anymore. We got the big falls in the back. Angel Falls.
Yeah.
But where is Angel Falls?
Is that Venezuela?
It's down there. I mean, we're in South America. We agree we're in South America, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's find out where Venezuela.
Okay, yeah.
Have we said Italy yet? Like, did
I don't think so.
Portugal came up, Spain came up. We are over there again.
This has got to be Italy.
It's got to be. We're over there again. Okay, thank goodness. Jeez.
Yeah.
We're over there again. I said Afghanistan already, but it wasn't. It was Pakistan. I'm going back to Afghanistan.
Okay.
Here. Oh, God, Iran. God, Keep going.
This looks
Canada? Shut up. You think? No, come on. They can't do Canada. They can't.
I
it's
would
not.
say, okay.
It's like an.
No.
That thing looks like okay, but it could be Switzerland.
Okay.
It could be.
But what about the look, though?
No, the look is
have certain looks.
But the look is impossible. What does the Canadian look like? Does everybody?
There's a certain look.
Everybody's in Canada. Everybody.
Okay, I'm
Do
just
you know what
gonna
I'm
go
saying?
back
Like
to
everybody is in Canada.
Okay, she looks French.
Well, that's the idea, Will.
That's what I'm saying. The look matters, right?
I know that the look matters, but in the case of a newer country like Canada, you have a mixture, right?
Okay,
you have all types of people over here. So
Okay.
what is a Canadian, you know what I'm saying? But this does, like, I've been to places that like look like that in Western Canada, right? Like near Lake
Like,
Louise over there. Look at the color.
Saskatchewan?
No, further, like Banff, like Alberta,
Oh, okay.
the mountains and that color water. But I feel like, okay, we're going to go with Canada, but there are some places like Switzerland kind of look like this.
Okay.
New Zealand. Oh my God, that was the other one that we could have
Yeah.
said.
New Zealand.
That was the other one we could have said.
There is a Canadian one.
No, Australia. Easy. Thank God. Give me the artifacts.
That's an Australian face.
Or not the artifacts, the architecture. Give me the architecture. Oh, God. Are you giving me... Now I'm Canada? Am I Canada now? Or no, I'm Switzerland now.
Is that your final answer?
Oh, my God. Why does Canada and Switzerland have to mess me up? Mountain, tree. I mean, this could also be Colorado.
A lot of people say Swiss.
I know I said Switzerland. I said that as well. I think so because the little village and the size of the mountain. We're gonna go Switzerland. Canada. How dare you? I knew that my Switzerland and Canada were gonna be tough, and apparently New Zealand as well.
Yeah.
You talk to your AI, and you might have Switzerland, you might have Canada, you might have.
She needs a toque.
Now, see, this is. Does she look Canadian too? Yes,
No,
absolutely.
I don't think she looks Canadian.
But you could see a girl like this in Canada where we are.
Sure, yeah.
Absolutely. But you want to know something, Will? And this is a testament what a unique place Canada is. You could actually see any of these single AI generated images.
No, you're right, because there is like a culture.
Everybody's here.
Yeah.
So I'm just putting that out there.
Okay.
Now we got Russia. Easy.
This is Russia.
Yeah, easy. And that was the actual St. Petersburg, whatever. Is that where we are?
Okay, yeah.
Or is it Moscow? They have a church like that. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway. Oh, baby.
We did it.
Oh, baby. Listen,
I'm going to post a link so you guys can...
you guys can play for yourselves or actually quiz your friends.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
way they did it, you can just scroll and not go down to the name.
Sure,
I
yeah,
think we did pretty damn good. And I think the AI actually did pretty damn good. I think it's much tougher in places where you have a more mixed bag as far as cultures are concerned. Newer countries and things like that. It's going to be a bit tougher, and especially tougher when you don't have the dedicated artifact or architecture. I keep saying artifact elements in the image.
Yeah.
Buildings or giveaways like
Yeah,
that.
the first ones are easy, obviously.
When you don't have it, it gets tougher. And thank you very much for playing along today.
Yeah.
AI generated trivia.